Hey everyone, how's it going? Just here, just got my first mental mug, so I wanted to open it up with you guys. I wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like when you get it, if you order it. Alright, here we go. I've never done an unboxing before, but I was told to do this, so I'm going to try it out. Here we are. Let's do this. As you can see, I collect mugs, obviously a lot of different ones here. Right here. This one came in from the States. That's where they're made, I guess. Because I get these. I get a mug, a t-shirt, and a hoodie through Streamlabs. I gotta order it just like everybody else. I get like $1 off or something. Not too much. Okay, let's go. It's in there tight. Oh yeah, here we go. Check it out. Oh. Yeah, they really protect it. That's good. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like it. The Mental Midget. Look at that. 16 bucks. $16 Canadian. No, American, sorry. Yeah, check it out. Get close. Oh, yeah. That'll look nice over in my collection. I'll probably use that right about now. Go make a coffee. Yeah, I'll probably make a video about me making my coffee, because I make my coffee with cashew butter and cashew milk, and then I blend it all up in this little blender I have. It's a counter. It's got a 40-second count on it, because you need at least 30 seconds to spin it. But anyways, yeah, there you go. Just unboxed. First time I ordered my mug. Started to unbox it with you guys. Yeah, right on. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.